After your installation is complete, that's when we'll request government inspection, whether it's from the City of Las Cruces, Doña Ana County, or the State Inspection Agency. And after that inspection's approved, then we'll request the utility come out and do their inspection. And once they're done, your system will be activated. From there, that's when I'll reach out and help you with your state tax credit application. You may have heard in the news or media that many people were not able to get their state tax credit for photovoltaic systems. And again, there is some confusion, misinformation about this, just like the federal in some cases. The state tax credit has a cap of $12 million, which runs out as people submit their applications, which means the sooner to submit this application, the better. Furthermore, specific forms are needed to submit along with this application. Some of these forms can only be provided by your contractor, which means having a company that works with you and cooperates with you in this part of the process is quite important. If not, it may not be possible to get the state tax credit. Luckily for our customers, these issues are eliminated, as it is my job to submit all of these applications for our customers. Once an application is submitted, a customer will get something called a certificate of eligibility. This is the document required to claim this tax credit in taxes. So now you've seen our process from beginning to end. We put this video together to show you the preparation that goes behind all of our installations. And hopefully this can answer any questions that might come up. Feel free to reach out to us by phone, email, or on our website.